Sit in a comfortable place and now close your eyes और just imagine कि इस वक्त आप जहाँ खड़े हुए हैं आपसे 5 स्टेप्स के फासले पर एक वाइड डोर है। आप इमेजिन कर सकते हैं कि आपने अपना फेवरेट अटायर पहना हुआ है और आपने कंफर्टेबल शूज़ पहने हुए हैं। Whenever I am going to guide you through the steps, so you are going to concentrate on your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, you just have pushed the door. Door gets open and you just get mesmerized by the view of that scenic and charming place. Have you ever been to the northern areas in Pakistan? You will totally be shocked. On the right side, you are going to have the view of a spring of the water, and on the left hand side, you can view the garden. The garden is overloaded with different color of the flowers, and you can enjoy the smell of the flowers. You can feel the breeze air. You're going to stand there for few minutes. Now you are going to decide that the spring of the water is just 10 steps away from you. So, I'm going to guide you through the pathway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. और आपका जो 11th step है, that will be stepped into the water. Here, first of all, what are you are going to do? आप अपने जूते को एक साइड पे रख दें और जस्ट इमेजिन करें कि सामने ही एक चट्टान है, एक रॉक है जहाँ पर आप बैठ सकते हैं। जस्ट सिट डाउन ओवर देयर। आपके जो पाँव हैं वो ठंडे ठंडे पानी पे है और आपकी बैक साइड पे कुछ पत्थर पड़े हुए हैं और बैक साइड से आपको सूरज की रोशनी पड़ रही है। जहाँ पे ये चश्मा एंड हो रहा है वहाँ पे फॉरेस्ट है। सो बहुत ही प्यारा व्यू है। आप बैठें और इस वक्त काउंट करें और इस वक्त हम 4, 6, 8 मेथड को यूज़ करके ब्रीद इन और ब्रीद आउट करें। जस्ट ब्रीद इन, होल्ड योर ब्रीथ as long as you can, and now breathe it out. Now repeat it. Hold it as long as you can, and breathe it out. Now just imagine that you are going to wash yourself up with this spring of the water. Just imagine करें कि जो पानी का चश्मा है ये एक हीलिंग सेंटर है जहाँ पे लोग अपनी हीलिंग के लिए आते हैं. Start washing your face, your arms and the rest of the body, and you are just enjoying it. I'm going to be quiet for fewer minutes. So just imagine कि जहाँ जहाँ आप पानी डाल रहे हैं वहाँ से आपकी नेगेटिव एनर्जी निकल रही है. What negative energy? Negative energy of rage, frustration, jealousy, competition, confusion. जिस तरह की भी नेगेटिव एनर्जी, चाहे आपको ओवर थिंकिंग हो रही है, चाहे आप डिसीजन नहीं ले पा रहे, चाहे आपके अंदर कोई भी जेलसी है, कोई भी कंपटीशन है, कोई भी रेज है किसी भी तरह का, वो सारी की सारी निकल रही है. एंड यू जस्ट कैन इमेजिन उस नेगेटिव एनर्जी को आप फायर के साथ रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं, एरोस के साथ रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. और जस्ट इमेजिन दैट यू आर सिटिंग ऑन दैट रॉक नियर द स्प्रिंग ऑफ द वाटर, और आप कॉन्टीन्यूसली अपने पर पानी डाल रहे हैं. Now that negative energy is coming out of your body, from each and every cell of your body, from each and every pint of your body, from your brain, from your heart, and from everywhere. चाहे वो आपके पास्ट चाइल्डहुड ट्रॉमा की वजह से है, चाहे वो आपका कोई टीनेज ट्रॉमा है, चाहे कोई रिलेशनशिप फेलियर है, whatever else you have logged inside you that is coming out of your body. So right now I'm going to leave you alone for few more seconds or for few more moments so that you can feel any kind of the stuck emotion inside your body. आपने चेक करना है और एग्जामिन करना है कि आपको के बॉडी के किसी पार्ट में क्या आपको टेंशन फील हो रही है. सो जस्ट इमेजिन, फील इट, वैलिडेट इट, and let it come out of your body. Let that negative energy come out of your body. Now once the negative energy is coming out of your head, back of the head, neck, your belly, chest, back of the chest, hip region, your legs and your feet and your arms and your hands. So here we are going to validate ourselves. Here we are going to accept ourselves. Your healing journey has been started. So number 1, you are going to work on the locked negative energy. Secondly, you are going to accept whatever you are, the way you are, the trauma or the sufferings you have gone through in your life. Number 1, आप पहले खुद से कई दफ़ा कह चुके होंगे कि मैं खुद को एक्सेप्ट करता हूँ, बट टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू एड्रेस योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. आपके साथ पास्ट में जो कुछ भी हुआ, दैट वाज द पार्ट ऑफ योर जर्नी. Number 1, that came to heal your soul, that came to make you a stronger person. You are here for growth. You are here to evolve. You are here to adapt. Though your past is very traumatic, those thoughts, they come and you get disturbed. That flashbacks from your past, they haunt you. But still you have to accept that it was your past and it is gone. You accept that has happened to you. Your subconscious mind is active and listening to me. That was the part of the learning. That was the part of the journey. That's why you are here on this planet Earth. Secondly, I'm going to address your subconscious mind, that you accept the way you are, you accept your flaws, you celebrate your achievements, the way you look, whether your body is chubby or thin, your skin is fair or dark, the way you behave, the way you talk, the way you walk, the way you look is all the part of your body. You don't need anyone's validation. At number 1, you have your creator, and at number 2, your topmost priority is you. Now onwards, as you have validated your own self, You have accepted at the subconscious level that you accept your mistakes, that you love yourself the way you are. You love it, you acknowledge it, you appreciate it, but you are going to work on your flaws. You're going to work on your negative areas to make yourself the better version of yourself. So, your healing journey has been started. So, you are no more the weak person. You have become the stronger. You have high self esteem. You have the clarity that whatever else has happened to you that was in the past, now you have the bright future. You have to move on. You know that these are your problems or these are your challenges, and now you have to go for the solutions. You have the creator of this world with you. Now onwards, you are going to listen to yourself. You are going to give yourself the top priority. Rest of the world comes after you. Breathe in and breathe out. Now you are going to start your healing journey from now onwards. You are not alone there. If you want, you can open up your eyes.